But the higher frequency in that context is if that particular force is applied to a much higher tension. So hence the reason we find when a string on the instrument, like let's say a string or any object or any sound that is created from a force, and an already established fundamental force that has fundamental tension. This already established tension, where there's a force that creates the impact, and this energy that emerges and vibrates, it causes the sound to propagate with an intensity and a much higher frequency, because the impact derived from an already established tension. That is the distinction between amplitude and frequency when it comes to the